excitement of clowning around there. We're finally going to get to fire the wheel, which is 5.2 metres diameter, 7 metres tall, over 50 metres of tube in it, 1200 hours of building. We've also built a couple of bit of extras. We've got these little hedgehog single shot mounts, and we've got the Stegosaurus single shot arch to take with us, and the TP which is missing. All of this pyrotechnics has been specially made by Radford Pyrotechnics for the project, and there is 200 and odd gerbs on the wheel, 44 drivers just for the helix. There's another 60 odd mounts for other stuff. We've got over 110 single shots to fire, 50 strobes, 48 flash pots, some 30 odd shells and a couple of surprises. So we're going to put a little show together. The firing system there provided for us by Lorien at Firetech Systems. So we're using that to fire everything. And as you can see, this is where we're going to be firing it. This is the Bonfire Society Championships. And we'll have a quick look at their website. It's at Wiston Park in Staining, near Brighton, as you can see. This Saturday, the 10th of August 2019. And if you're on Facebook, go along and give them a follow on Facebook, keep up with all the action. Bonfire Society Championships. As you can see, we're having a little scroll through here, and at the time of making this video we're due to fire at approximately 9:15. We're hoping we can put that a little bit later. We're also forecast 50-mile-an-hour winds, so fingers crossed for that. Please subscribe and follow our little journey, see what happens. Big thanks to the team there, Carl, Ben, Sam and Mark, and a special shout outs to Martin and Will at Phoenix, Lorien at Firetech and John at Storm Fireworks for helping us out. Fingers crossed, eh? See you soon.